Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Beelinguapp, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect with Beelinguapp, begin by downloading the app. Visit the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android devices. Search for Beelinguapp in the search bar. Once you find the app, tap on the download button to start the installation. After the installation is complete, open the Beelinguapp. You will see a welcome screen with a brief introduction to the app. Next, choose your preferred language from the list provided. Scroll through the available languages and select the one you want to learn. After selecting your language, you will be prompted to choose a secondary language. This is the language you are already familiar with. Select your secondary language from the list. Once you've made your language selections, tap on Continue. You may be asked to create an account or sign in. If you choose to create an account, fill in the required details like your email and password. Alternatively, you have the option to sign up using your Google or Facebook account. After signing up, verify your email if prompted. Once your account is activated, log in to Beelinguapp. Upon logging in, you will be directed to the main menu. Explore the various features available, such as audiobooks and reading modes. To start reading, choose a book from the library section. Select a book that interests you and tap on it to open. You can adjust reading settings within the app for a customized experience. Start reading and enjoying your journey with Beelinguapp. Utilize the audio feature to listen while you read for better comprehension. Feel free to bookmark your favorite passages or take notes as you explore. That's it. You are now ready to connect with Beelinguapp and enhance your language skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.